If you're stuck in a dry skin cycle, it could mean your moisture barrier is damaged, so your skin may struggle to retain water. But with our proven hydration science, you can take back control. Hydro Boost's derm-recommended hydrators, hyaluronic acid and glycerin, maintain the moisture barrier by binding to and locking in hydration deep within and on your skin's surface. So get a hydrated glow that lasts all day with award-winning cleansers and moisturizers. Feel the power of our science.
Hi guys, today I have Neutrogena's Hydro Boost Gel Cream and Neutrogena's Hydro Boost Gel Cream Extra Dry. So I've used both of these and I do have dry skin. I'm going to demonstrate both of them on my skin for you. I've been using this one the longest and personally I cannot tell a huge difference between them, but I will tell you my thoughts on the texture and the hydration. This is the extra dry one and how it works for my skin. So that's what they look like on. The extra dry one is just a bit smoother, as you can see right there. This is more like it melts into the skin. This one is thicker. And it's odd that this is this thicker one when it's not for extra dry, but personally I prefer the extra dry one because I don't like a very thick layer of hydration on my skin. So I personally find this to be hydrating to my skin and non-irritating, comfortable. But the takeaway from this, while this is hydrating and both these are great, what I found is that they don't wear well under my makeup. So I only wear these on days where I know that I'm not gonna have to like put on makeup and go somewhere or film something. But yeah, great product overall, but for my skin, it doesn't really work well under my makeup. So yeah,